Growth. We are seeing significant growth on this area. You will note there is Pramuk, there is Yogi, there is Modern Tiles, among others. The advantage you have seen on Kayunga Road is there is land availability. It's near the generation plants, and we are seeing most investors are preferring to set up their factories here, given that Kampala is already congested. Also, the road network here, both for export and in-country distribution, gives them an advantage. So this substation we are putting up here will provide up to 60 megawatts capacity for existing and new industries we project that will set up in this area. Otherwise, we had maxed out on the 2 lines that are feeding this area, and the substation will be commissioned by the end of this month. So yes, our investments are aimed at efficiency, reliability, expansion, more grid connections, including technical loss reduction. The units generated, as I indicated, will depend on the staggered consumption you use for power at your home. As I indicated, the first 15 units will be charged at 250 shillings per unit. The next units up to unit 80 will be charged at 805 shillings per unit. From the 80th unit to 150th unit, those will be charged at an average of 412 per unit. Now, that's what the regulator is calling the e-cooking tariff, which is cheaper than the ordinary tariff to encourage people to use electricity for cooking.
Okay. Yes. Get it started?
Yeah.
My name is Job Wati, the projects manager of this project called the West Bank. Here we are at the switching station where the power from Owen Falls Dam is going to be evacuated and delivered to. And from this switching station is where we are going to have 4 outgoing lines which are going to serve our customers that who are along Kayunga Road, where we have Yogi, who is going to have a dedicated line. We have Pramuk, who is also going to have a dedicated line. Then the third line is Upper Industrial, 33 kV, which is going to serve the existing customers along the way. And then also Nyanza, also going to serve the customers along. This project you see here is a $4.4 million project, the capex from the capex program of Umeme, and it's meant to relieve the stress that has been on the Kayunga Road, whereby the existing lines that were built a long time ago could not handle the capacity that has come up at this time.
So regarding this project, I think if you travel along the Kayunga Road, you notice that there's been a lot of new constructions, both in terms of industry, the big ones, Yogi, Pramuk, now also have the others on the other side of the road. We also have, going back towards Ginger, additional industries as well growing. So the problem we were facing was that all these industries were being fed from Owen Falls, but we no longer had space at Owen Falls to expand and put more equipment, and also there were also issues to do with way leaves coming out of Owen Falls.